Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale a 2015 Mercury 2-stroke, oil injected. The compression was 130 on each cylinder. We have a new fuel filter, new water pump impeller, new plugs, pressure tested the gear case, make sure it was good. I think I said new water pump impeller already. New gear lube in it, comes with a control box, tilt and trim. It's a 20-inch, I believe, correct? Got tilt and trim on the side. Also got tilt and trim in the box. It's not hooked up right now, so we'll definitely make sure that's all good to go when we're installing it to you. Fire it up here. It'll be a little smoky. We are running it's 2-stroke, and then we're also running our winterizing oil, or winterized gas right now. So it's got some additives in it. Pumping good water right out of the tank. Good response. Neutral. Reverse. Could be idled down a little bit. They're always going to be different on a boat than they are on a tank. This does have the oil tank on the motor. You'll fill it right up here. I think it holds a gallon of oil. Great running motor. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a Merry Christmas.